They said, why do you want to work here? And I said, well, I had a couple of experiences in the basement, in the steam tunnel, and the little boy just said hi to me in the boys' dormitory room. I said, okay, we'll talk. And I've been here ever since. I'm coming up on my almost 11-year anniversary here. Over the years, we've asked, different people, different recordings, and Pete, were you the one who said hi, Cindy? And it's always yes.
Hello? Is there anybody up there? Is there anybody up there? What the hell? What? Oh my gosh. How funny.
Life could have been a lot harder for them. They were glad to have a roof over their head and education and food, people who cared for that. So it was just, I guess, the way of life back then. There's a hole here in this wall. There's another one in